Start with a cube, scale it and make a basic structure of room and place a camera inside a room. Then add a solidify modifier and apply scale or all transformation. You will know further why I use this modifier. Then do some more changes in a room and then add a cube again and scale it in Z-axis and Y-axis. Place it in between a wall where window were placed. Then change a mesh viewport display to bounds. Then select a room and add a Boolean modifier. Go to Object and select Cube which placed in a wall where we make a window. Now you see a hole between a wall. This hole is for window, that's why in Start we use a solidify modifier. Because we have to add depth in a room, without any depth we can't make a hole with Boolean modifier. Now we are going to make a back wall of bed. For this, first add a plane, go to Edit Mode, Extrude Inside and delete a face. Then select upper face and move it in Z-axis. Then add loop cut and delete side edge. Add a mirror modifier. After that, make a design for back wall like this. Now select all faces and extrude it and add depth. Then place it in our room like this. Now we are going to make ceiling design. Start with a cube, place it on top of window. Select bottom face and inset it and then extrude in inside. Then add more loop cut and extrude it and make some design what you like. Same thing do with other walls. Then select a room ceiling and move it in Z-axis. Because we are going to make ceiling design with other mesh, that's why we do this. So for ceiling, add a cube and move it faces like this. Select face and inset face and extrude it in inside and make this type of design. After that we are going to make left side of wall. For this add cube, then we are going to make a hole. For that again add cube and make a shape like this. Then place it on wall and select wall and add a boolean modifier. Our left side wall is ready. Then we are going to make window again with a cube like this. For glasses we use a plane. Now we are adding more design to left wall. Now we are going to make a bed table like this. After that we are making a lamp with circle and place it in room. For a wall lamp, I am using a circle as you see like this. Place it on a room. Now we are making a ceiling design with sculpting like this and place it in ceiling. Here our ceiling design is ready. For making a sofa, first we add a circle and add mirror modifier. Delete this edges and extrude a bottom edge. Then again extrude it in x-axis. Now select all and extrude in y-axis, then again extrude for thickness. Here our sofa structure is ready. Now for leg, add circle and extrude it in z-axis. Here our sofa leg is ready, and remaining details is made up in sculpt mode. For ceiling lamps, we are making this type of shapes that then we are add some more stuff and scene. And for bed, I am using presets of bed which you can find on my CG Trader account. Now for lighting, I am using Blender default light which is Nishita. And for textures, I am using CCO texture website. We are ready for render.